Open your favorite web browser and type MongoDB download. Click this link. Now scroll down. You can see the latest version. Platforms, I choose Windows. You can choose your platform. Package MSI. Now click download button. It's start downloading. After complete your download, you will get MongoDB MSI package. Double press on it. It will start installation. Click on next. You can read license agreement. Click the checkmark I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Click complete. You can see service name, data directory, log directory. You can change the directory. I simply click on next. Check install MongoDB Compass. Click next. Click install. It will start installation. If you visit first time in my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Okay, after complete installations, press finish button. You can see welcome to MongoDB Compass. Press next. 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 Click on get started button. Click on save button. Now we have to download MongoDB shell. See latest version. Choose your platform. Package in zip file. Press download button. After complete your download zip, you have to extract it. Go to this folder and click on it. Now click on bin. Now open C drive. Click on program files. Here you can see MongoDB. Click on it. Click server. Click 6.0. Click bin. Click bin. Here you will get MongoDB exe. Mongo's exe. Now copy the path. Type in search box edit environment variable. Go to system variable, click path, add new, paste your copy path, click OK. Close the tab. MongoDB shell has been downloaded completely. Click on zip file. Now cut the folder and paste it in C drive. I rename the folder. Go to inside the folder, copy the path, type edit environment on search environment variable, go to system variable, click on path, click edit, add new, paste your path, click OK. Close the tab. Open your CMD. Type MongoDB space hyphen version. You can see your DB version. Now type MongoDB to open Mongo server. Hit enter. You can see my command has returned back. That means there is some problem. You can see the error non-existent path data directory in C drive data/db. Create a folder data. Inside data, create another folder db. Now again type MongoDB and press enter. This time the command has not returned back. That means MongoDB server has started successfully. If you open MongoDB folder, then server 6.0 bind and open mongo.exe, you will get a MongoDB server is running. Now type mongo sh. You can see using MongoDB version and using Mongo shell version. Clear the terminal. Here test is default database. Now type show DBs is showing me databases. Now I am creating my own database, so type use my database, switch to DB database. If you want to see current database, just type DB and press enter. My database. Let's create collection. So type db.collection. I give the collection name students. Hit enter. It show me OK message. I want to insert one record, so I type db.students.insert one, add parenthesis, curly brace, insert inverted comma, type roll number as a column and value 1. Second column is name and value is lemon. Okay, just hit enter. You can see acknowledge true. Type show dbs. Here our new db my database is added. Type show collections. Oh, I have to remove parenthesis. You can see the collection name. Now clear the terminal. I want to see my column value in a proper format, so type db.students.find parenthesis dot pretty parenthesis, hit enter. You can see the column name, value, roll number, name in a proper format. I want to delete my collections, so type db.students.drop parenthesis and hit enter. You can see true. If I type show collections, and there is no collection. I want to delete my database, so type db.drop database parenthesis and hit enter. 1. My database has successfully dropped. If I type show dbs, there is no database. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.